So welcome everyone, my name is Stuart. I am the voice and the face behind Oldmanwisdom. I thought it was about time that I introduced myself a little bit and told you about what I'm trying to do via my YouTube channel. So I know that some of you are already enjoying the videos that I'm making, and I really appreciate the fact that you've subscribed and you're following along with everything I do. Thank you so much. So the question is, what am I planning to do in the future with my YouTube channel Oldmanwisdom? Well, there's three things that I really want to try and achieve in the coming months and even years ahead. Firstly, I want to help you in your Forex trading journey. So I want to share the experience that I've had over the last 6 years of trading Forex, and not only share my experiences, but try and help you avoid some of the mistakes that I've made. And I'm going to provide you with a few tools along the way to hopefully make your trading slightly easier as you move forward. Secondly, something that's so vital in the Forex trading world is money management. How to control your trading account so that you're not going to lose all your money within just a few short months. Money management is not only vital in the Forex trading world, but of course also in everyday life. So money management is a skill that you need to learn, not only in Forex, but in business and even in running a household. The third thing I want to share with you is the psychology side of things, the mindset. You need to, again, acquire certain skills in order to be a successful Forex trader. Skills like patience, positivity, and how to overcome problems when they arise. Again, learning these kind of skills is not just vital to be a Forex trader and a successful one, but it's also so important to have these certain kind of mindset skills in order to succeed in everyday life, in relationships, in business, and again, even in just running your life from day to day. So these are the three main areas that I want to focus on in the months ahead and make videos about. All of it really is focused around trading Forex, but what I want to try and get over to you is that the skills you're about to learn are not just good to trade Forex, they're good in your day-to-day life with relationships, with running businesses, with running a home, with managing your life. So hopefully I can help do this. I'm no expert, don't get me wrong, but I consider myself an older person, hence the name Oldmanwisdom, and I've had a few experiences in life that maybe you can learn from my mistakes and improve your life as we go forward. So as I continue to share what I know and what I've learnt with you, just feel free to support what I'm doing. Many of you have already done that, and there's two main ways. Firstly, to just simply subscribe to my channel and enjoy watching the videos as I release them. That is such a big help, and it will help my channel grow in the months ahead. And secondly, you can visit my website, oldmanwisdom.co.uk. Here you'll find some free downloads for your Forex trading, but also you can subscribe to a small monthly fee in order to help my channel continue to grow, and of course for me to continue making videos that I think will benefit you. It's just something that I feel passionate about. I want to help you as an individual, and if I can do that, then of course I feel like I'm achieving something, and of course you will as well. So like I say, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Feel free to comment below with your suggestions for future videos, and of course until my next video, take care, and I'll see you all soon.